I need coffee to start my day. Otherwise, yes. Hey guys, it's me, Lila, and I decided to do a video early in the morning because I didn't get to sleep, and I wasn't able to sleep this morning because children were up and they decided to scream and everything. So I'm running on zero amount of sleep. But that's okay. You don't need what you do need sleep, but you don't need a big amount. Zero amount of sleep is just okay. This is fine. I'm very tired. But anyways, what better way to get ready for the day than to do your makeup? And I'm not going extravagant like I did last time because it's 8 o'clock in the fucking morning and I'm not doing that. I'm usually not even awake by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's just how I am. It's okay. No judgment anywhere. Like if you wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, there might be a little bit of judgment, but not a lot. It's okay. It's fine. Anyway, on to the video. So since I'm going to be doing like a, just like a easy thing, like not even, you don't even need foundation. You don't even need foundation. And my face is red because I keep touching it because I'm tired. And that's what I do. And I have a zit on my forehead. It's not a zit. I don't know what it is, but it won't go away. And I swear I'm not putting a bindi on my forehead. But let's, start the video. So since I'm not even doing foundation, I'm not even going to bother to put on primer because there's no point in primer. There, I said it. Sorry to offend the people, but that's how I feel. Okay, so instead of, foundation, I'm just going to do concealer. And so I have my Marc Jacobs. Look at me, I'm a beauty. Marc Jacobs thing. And it's called Stand Corrected. I'm just gonna put that wherever I need it. So basically everywhere. This is basically like foundation. It's very yellow tone, but that's okay. It's fine. I couldn't really, shade match because there's only one shade, and it was this. Well, there was other shades, but they were, just darker. And I'm a pale bitch, but that's okay. Even though my face looks very red right now, it's fine. Perfect. I just went inside my nose. And then on my chin, I'll put some right here on my mustache. Just fan that out like, all the beauty gurus do. And I think that's enough. I don't know, my face is looking quite red today, so we will see. And I'm just gonna take my sponge, ASMR. I probably have shitty quality of hearing, so listen. I don't know where this sound's at, but let's just blend it into my face. We keep on climbing. Oh, I forgot about that. If you hear any sound, it's my cousin getting cereal and my dog on cue. She almost dropped the milk, and it's okay. I just bathed my dog last night with my cousin. We, like immediately after, we, tried drying him off the best we could, and he decided that he wanted to jump on the couch. And so now the couch smells like wet dog, and there's just hair everywhere, and it's just a mess. But he smells like green apples, so it's nice. This is probably taking forever because I'm just talking while I'm doing this. I need coffee. I'm not used to being up this early. Now time for powder. Yeehaw! I'm tired. I think right after this, I'm gonna take what they call a fat nap. Okay, for powder, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in Fair Light. And I've had this thing for like 2 years and it's finally starting to like Now the powder is done and I'm just going to be going in with bronzer. And I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And it smells like paradise. Oh yeah. I'm just going to be taking this brush that I mainly use just for this. And I'm just going to do the whole thing. And to straighten the nose, I'm just going to be going in with my sponge. To be forgiven, we would share anything just to buy overnight. And that's looking a bit harsh, so I'm just going to be going back in with the powder. Now that's finished, I'm just going to be going in with highlighter. And for today, I'm going to be using the Milani highlighter, the Holographic Beams. This is a holographic, but it's okay. No judgment here. And I'm just going to be going in with this concealer brush by e.l.f. I don't know why, but I keep calling my male dog Mama. I'm like, hey Mama. Okay, and oh, I accidentally broke it one night, but I think I'm gonna take, this will look a bit more natural than this. Let's just do a mix. Because why not? You only live once, so just mix your highlighter. The face is done. That's all I do when I don't really want to do anything. And so now I'm just going to take rose water and just spray it on my face to add moisture. And this is the Pearlessence rose water. I'm trying to, there. I'm going to wait for that to dry and I'll be right back. My face is now dry and it's time to move on to the eyes. And so since I'm doing, you know, like a no makeup look, I'm just going to take, you know, natural shades, I guess, like browns and maybe a little bit of shimmer. And the main palette thing I use for, you know, natural days is this Hikari. Sorry if I butchered that. I don't use that pink, obviously, because that's not a natural tone. But, you know, I use, like, all these, like, other tones and I just blend it into my eyeball. I'm going to be taking a blending brush and I'm going to be going in with that brown right here. Got it. Just gonna put that all over my eyeball. And I'm a very dramatic person when it comes to doing my makeup. So no matter what look I do, it's gonna be smoked out as much as I can. Okay, so that's, you know, the biggest step. And then I just smoke it out here. Yeehaw. And so for, you know, just the center, I'm going to be taking this gold shade. They look the same, but I promise they're not. Just gonna apply with my finger. Oh, I should do a swatch of this because it's really pretty. But look at that. It's like gold. Sorry, I suck at this. And I have shitty lighting. I'm in the kitchen and you're propped up on a microwave. It's better than being propped up on 3 totes and 2 Scentsy boxes. Like last time. But that's okay. Progress. I'm just going to add a little bit of eyeliner to make my eyes pop. And I'll be right back. I went a bit too dramatic with the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna take this off and maybe we will have a no eyeliner look for today. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've fixed it, I'm just gonna be going in with some mascara and I'm just gonna be taking the collab. I can never remember the name of this. My cousin told me what it's called. I forgot. But it's really nice and I like it a lot. So hopefully that will help make up for no eyeliner. Okay, so the eyeliner is done, and when I do brows on a lazy day, since I want them black, I just put mascara on them. I know it's probably not the most, you know, sanitary thing, but I don't care. It does it fast, so why not? The eyebrows are done and they're looking very natural and bushy and I'm loving it. And so now all that is left is lippy gloss and some spray. I don't use setting spray because I don't like it. It hurts my face and it smells weird. So I go with rose water because that smells nice. Okay, so this lip gloss, it has like gold flakies in it. And it's from Collab, and it's nice, but it's really sticky, so you're gonna have to wear, you know, like a balm underneath. So I already have it on, and yeah. I hear your whispers, dark like storms, telling me, dear, I'll never leave your mind. Looking nice and glossy. So now all that's left is spray. It has cute little bubbles in it. That's reflecting. That's really so cute. Okay, let's have it. Whew, let's just wait for it to dry. Okay, there you have it. It was just my, you know, little get ready with me. I hope you guys had a good time and see you in the next video. Bye.